Hello students, we are studying chapter input and output devices. We have already discussed in the previous video about input devices. In this video we will discuss about direct data entry and associated devices. Let's discuss one by one. Direct data entry devices are used when large volumes of data must be entered into the computer quickly. Consider how long it would take for the cashier to add up the cost of your shopping if she had to enter the price of every item you purchased. Nowadays, barcode system makes this task much quicker. There are a variety of different direct data entry devices available. Different devices are suitable for different type of applications. First one is magnetic strip card. The strip can contain up to 60 characters, numbers or digits of information which is stored magnetically. Look at this picture. This is your strip. This is your magnetic strip in which information can be stored up to 60 characters. Usually the information is put onto the strip when the card is made and is never changed. To be read, the card is swiped through the machine which quickly and accurately reads the pattern of magnetism. So all the data is stored on this chip on the strip, and this is then swiped onto the machine so that all the data can be read accurately. The information stored on the card can be destroyed by exposure to the magnetic fields, or by scratching, or by coming into the contact with some liquids. What are the advantages of magnetic strip cards? Data entry is fast as compared to entering the data manually by the help of keyboard. System is error free because no typing is involved. Information is secure, can prevent access to restricted or secure areas also. On the other hand, what are the disadvantages? If the magnetic strip is damaged, the data is lost. Cards need to be in close contact with the reader also. Second is chip and pin readers. Instead of a magnetic strip, there is a chip on the card. Look at this picture, this is a chip on the card. A smart card contains a small RAM chip. When the card is put into a machine, data can be read from the card or written onto it. A smart card can store much more data than a magnetic strip card. Magnetic strip mostly is 60 characters only, but a smart card can hold up to 8,000 characters of information. It provides a more secure payment system than requiring a signature or using a magnetic strip card. It provides a more robust system than magnetic strip since the chip does not need to be in contact with the reader. What are the disadvantages? Customer needs to be careful when typing in the pen so nobody reads it, giving an opportunity for the fraud also. Third device is radio frequency identification or RFID readers. RFID tags are used for tracking system that uses smart barcodes in order to identify items also. RFID tags utilize radio frequency technology. These radio waves transmit data from the tag to the reader, which then transmits the information to an RFID computer program. RFID tags are frequently used for merchandise, but they can also be used to track vehicles. It can hold a lot of data, can be read from long distances also. Information can be read faster than the barcodes. It can alter information also. So these are the advantages of RFID tags. What are the disadvantages? Thieves can steal information easily. RFID tags are expensive. Radio waves can experience interference also. Next, direct entry device is magnetic ink character recognition, MICR. The MIR system reads characters printed in a special magnetic ink into the computer. The main users of MICR are banks. They use it to read the information from the checks. Mostly the check hold the data just like this. Look at this picture, the data at the bottom of the check. That is with the help of magnetized ink. That is written with the help of magnetized ink. So MICR readers can only read one special font which can represent only numbers and few punctuation marks. The information printed on the check using MICR is unique number for the check, code to identify the bank and the branch, and the account number. Number of the check, unique number of the check, bank and branch code, and the account number. So this information is typed or printed with the help of magnetized ink, and that can be read by the help of MICR. Look at this picture. This is an example picture of MICR reader that can read the check accurately. So what are the advantages? They can read the characters very quickly and 100% accuracy. Information printed in magnetic ink is also very secure. You cannot easily change the information. Printed numbers are not damaged by folding the check. What is the disadvantage? Both the reader and the special ink are expensive. The reader for the MICR and the special ink are expensive. Next direct data entry device is optical mark reader. Optical mark reader reads the marks made by pencil on a printed form into the computer. Look at this page. In this page you are going to mark some points. These marks are then scanned and the data is sent accordingly. OMR systems are used by examination boards to collect the answers to multiple choice examination and to purchase lottery tickets also, mostly used by the examination board examinations. The reader detects where the marks are placed by shining a light at the page and measuring the amount of light reflected. Less the light is reflected, it means their marks have been made over here. It is very fast way of inputting result of surveys. Since there is no typing, so it will be more accurate than input the data or keying the data by the help of keyboard. What are the disadvantages of optical mark reader? Forms need to be carefully designed to make sure that the marks or shading are correctly positioned to gather accurate information. There can be problems if forms are not filled correctly. For example, if someone has marked 2 or someone has not marked properly, so it cannot detect that type of marks. Next device is optical character recognition, OCR. An optical character recognition system consists of a scanner and some software. The scanner is used to scan an image of a page of a text to be read into the computer. You have any document, it can be scanned by the help of a scanner, but it will consider it as an image. The software then examines the page and extracts the text from it, storing it into a form that can be processed. If you have a normal scanner, it can be document can be scanned, but it will be in the form of an image. But if you have a scanner with the OCR facility, it will convert it into the editable form, into the text form, so that you can process by using any word processing software. OCR system can now recognize a wide variety of computer fonts and read letters with over 95% accuracy. Some systems also recognize handwritten text, so it will convert the scanned document into the text form so that you can edit that. What are the advantages? Much faster data entry system than manually. Since there is no manual data entry, so the number of errors is reduced. What are the disadvantages? The system has difficulty for reading the handwritten text. It is still not a very accurate technique. Okay, next direct data entry device is barcode reader. Barcodes are often printed on the products that we buy and are used by the shop to produce bills for the customers. This is the example of a barcode reader. This is the barcode. A barcode is made up of sequence of bars of different widths, and these different groups of bars are represent different numbers. So these steps represent different numbers. Barcodes are read into the computer using a barcode reader. The information normally included on a barcode for a product is the country of origin, manufacturer, and the item code, but the price is not included in the barcode. What are the advantages of barcode? Faster, fewer mistakes, it enables automatic stock control, it is tried and trusted technologies. What are the disadvantages? Barcode scanning is an expensive system to administer because you have to you need every item in the shop needs a barcode, and every barcode needs to be entered into the system, and there is a need to invest in the computer technology together with the staff training. That is all for direct data entry devices. If you have any question related to direct entry devices, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much for listening.